And we're back in my garage. So today I'm actually going to start working on my workbench, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and change the saw blade on my Ridgid compound miter saw. It's the sliding one. It goes to like 70 degrees or something crazy. But anyway, it's a, I forgot the model is, but I'm going to put it right there. So yeah, that's the model of it. And we're going to switch out this blade because it's about 5 years old. It's the original blade that it came with. And it's just starting to kind of, you know, get old and worn out. So we're going to pop this bad boy in there. This is an 80-tooth Diablo. We're going to go ahead and get that in there. So here we go. First things first, a couple things. Make sure this thing is unplugged. Don't do it with the power on. You need this to be up, not down. Another thing too is you want to lock this so it's not sliding all over the place. So you do that by going over here. And you twist this little guy here just to lock that in. I don't even know if you can see that, but hopefully you can. All right, now we need our tools. So there's a little handle back here, and it's got our little blade tool in here, and it's really in there. There we go. So we got our blade tool right there. So it looks like an Allen wrench. Yeah, all right, cool. So we're gonna use the screwdriver here. And we're gonna loosen this screw here. So I think the newer versions, you don't have to do this, but on mine it looks like you do. All right, put that where we won't lose it. Then we just basically kind of push that out of the way, and now we can get to this. Now, keep in mind that this is a reverse one, so I think it's clockwise to loosen and counterclockwise to tighten. But if we were to do that, the wheel, it'll just keep spinning, right? So what we need to do is on the back side, and here let me grab this here and we'll show you. So on the back side you have this little button right here. So what you need to do is you need to basically push that button down, and it's not going to go in all the way, and just kind of turn your blade a little bit, and then it's going to lock in. Boom. See that? Now the blade can't go anywhere, so now we can actually torque it to get the blade off. So now we got that done. I'm going to pop this out of the way. We need to hold that button down. And we're going to go, I believe, clockwise to get this loose. Yeah. So we got her loose. All right. And so remember, clockwise, it's reversed, because otherwise when the blade spins, it would just, you know, loosen itself, and then your blade flies off while you're using it. We don't want that. Yeah. Just like bicycle pedals, it goes backwards. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and pull this bolt out. I do know the difference between bolts and nuts. I just sometimes mix them up. But yeah, I'm taking this bolt out. And then we need to remove this washer. Okay. And now we can remove the blade, just like so. And we are ready to put in our new blade. Now keep in mind, the blade is going to spin, looks like this way, so we want to make sure we put our new blade in the right way. So usually a good way to tell is if we look at the blade, the actual, you know, teeth here. Pretty much a good way to go is, you know, all the labeling is always on this side of it, so that's how you can kind of tell. So our rotation is still going this way, so we're still good. And then also, you know, I didn't check this, but yeah, 5,000 RPMs max. This one's also 5,000 RPMs max, so it should work. And pop this out of the way. Go ahead and slide that in there. Okay, cool. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put it in there. We're going to put our washer on. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and put our bolt in there. All right. Got to move this thing out of the way. There we go. And when we're putting our bolt in, we're going counterclockwise. Okay, and then you just want to make sure that it's on there. Okay, cool. Cool. Now we want to go ahead and push in our button. And now we're going to get our special blade putter on our tool, aka an Allen wrench. And we're going to go ahead and tighten it counterclockwise. And there we go. So that's on there. We can release the button. So now we need to go ahead and pull this guy down. just like that. All right, we're going to go ahead and put our screw back in there. And then, of course, the screw turns like normal. So we're turning our screw, what do you call it? Clockwise? No, yeah, clockwise. All right, we want to make sure that notch hits that screw all the way like that. And we'll go ahead and crank her down. Okay, cool. And we'll release that. And then we're going to take our tool and we're going to slide it back into the little handle over here so we don't lose it. And we will have it when we need to replace a blade 5 years from today. And there we go. Brand new saw blade. And I just do that just to make sure she's not like all weird, you know, all wobbly and sweet. So that's pretty much how you change a blade on the Ridgid compound sliding miter saw, model R4221. All righty, cool. So hopefully this helps you out if you got one of these guys and you forgot how to change the blade, or you don't know how to change the blade, or you just need a little bit of video YouTube help. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, and tell me what a horrible saw blade changer I am. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.